Alright, so I've been asked to do a short tutorial on the two equations V equals IR and Q equals CV. So we'll start off with V equals IR, or Ohm's law. And Ohm's law basically states that the potential difference V is directly proportional to both current, which is symbolized by I, and resistance R. So it's a very simple equation. Here's probably the simplest use of this equation. V on a really simple circuit, which has a 10-volt battery and a 10 ohm resistor, and that's the entire circuit. And you can use this Ohm's law to find the current flowing through that circuit. And you have V equals IR, and you plug in the 10 volts for the potential difference, the V. I is what you're solving for, and resistance is a 10 ohm resistor, which is the squiggle line. And you'll get the current is equal to 1 amp. And that's basically how you use that equation. And it can be used for way more complex circuits that take a little more time and better knowledge of the equation. And the next equation is C equals QV, which is it's another simple equation, just three variables. And this one states that the charge Q on a capacitor is directly proportional to capacitance, which is symbolized by C, and voltage or potential difference, V. And so here's another short example. It's a similar circuit, has a 10-volt battery, but instead of a resistor this time we have a capacitor, which has the capacitance is 10 microfarads. And you just plug in it, solving for Q, plug in the 10 microfarads and the 10 volts into the equation, and you'll come out with 100 microcoulombs, which is the charge. And that's the simplest form of this equation, the simplest example. And that's basically how you use these two equations.